Right, this is 8920A RF communication test set showing tracking generator working to show the frequency response of a filter. So you can see actually the frequency response here, and you can move the cursor and look what frequency it starts and stop. Anyway, I will show how to get to this screen. So I'll do preset like the unit it just started with the general screen, and I'll go to activate the tracking generator in Spectrum. You need to go to this menu here. You got the dot here running, and you go to the spectrum analyzer. It says here, press here, and it will go to the spectrum analyzer. Now I need to put the center frequency of something reasonable of this filter. So this is a 250 to 500. If I don't know, I just put it on 500 megahertz and open the span completely, but I'll do here 350 megahertz is the center frequency, and I put the span of, let's say, 600 megahertz. Okay, so now we got this setting. Now this is not enough to go to the tracking generator. We need to go to the control here, change to the RF input to antenna. It's pressing that, you go to ANT. Alright, so now you are running from being, instead of this input, you are now working on this input. Oh, this is the antenna inputs. So where now the unit is accepting from here. So now I'll go back to the main, press main, and then you get this screen here. You get main and then RF generator. Click one here to the RF generator, press once, and then you get here, you got fix and track. Go a little, just one cube here, so you can see that showing one down, going to the word track. It says track here. Maybe it's hard to see on the camera right now. Press track, and this is it. It need to show the frequency response. Here it is. This is the frequency response of the filter. So now you got all the sequence how to activate tracking generator in the Spectrum in HP 8920A RF communication test set. Thank you. This is from Patentix Israel. Thank you very much.